Hey guys, it's Megan, and today we're going to be renovating a bathroom. So behind this wall, there was a message on the wood, and my husband doesn't need glasses, so he's gonna read it. Right, honey? Read.
Family put this here, June 21st, 2016, after our shower was rotted out. Here's to hoping your family is as awesome as mine. Melvin Rios Lopez Jr., Courtney Michelle Lopez, Austin Kenneth Lopez, Madison Ann Lopez, Melvin Rios Lopez III. P.S. Kissy and Tyler were here too.
Oh Lord. Alright, so here we are. We're all taken down. I put some plastic in the tub. But I'm trying to keep the tub clean because I did clean it up real nice. I scrubbed it. It looks almost new. Here, let's see. Over here where the tub is just a little bit away from the wall. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to put some furring strips so we can get it closer. And then we are going to start putting up the durac. But see right there, they're like black stains. I'm going to hit that with some Clorox water and a brush. I took as much of the glue off as I possibly could. This would have been the perfect bathroom had these dumbasses who did the renovation to flip the house put either sheetrock or durac or green board or something back here. But what was happening was the bond between the caulk and the walls that were up, the vinyl walls, kept popping out and water kept getting in and it kept coming off because there was no, so every time you leaned up against the wall, if you had to lean up against the wall to shave your legs or lean up against the wall to grab soap or whatever, or clean your feet, it would bend and flex the piece around the lip of the tub and would break the seal of the caulk. So mom and dad are here to fix it all. Of course, we'll be fixing problems till we die, I think. So there we go. We're going to re-insulate because the insulation that was in here is crap, and I don't even know if this is right. It's got the felt paper against the studs and then the plywood on the outside, which I think it was supposed to be the plywood, the felt paper, whatever the hell else they got going on. They didn't block the window from outside, so now we're debating on whether my daughter wants to keep the window, frame out the window, or wants to build a niche, or she just wants to block it off and then handle it from the other side when she is ready to do the siding. So that's her decision. For now, I'm here to clean up. And when my husband comes back from Home Depot, then we will put up the durac. Alright, so we're cutting for the niche. Alright, phase 2, babe. Insulation. We put some furring strips on this side. We built the niche. Niche? Whatever. Niche.
Cubby hole.
Cubby hole. We built the little cubby hole they wanted. The window will be left the way the window is. We're going to cover it with the durac, and then from the other side, they're going to take it out and cover it up and insulate it. So insulation goes there where insulation was, and then we are straight. We're ready for durac. So here we go, wonder board's up. Right after dinner, I will come back, clean the tub, put this piece on, and then do all the taping. Alright, so all the corners are taped, the seams are taped, the niche is taped, the drywall has been filled in and spackled, and all the whatchamahoozits are up. We had a little mishap right there, but that's okay. We're tiling to the top anyway, so long as there are no mishaps down here. Okay, there we go. Alright peeps, it's tiling time. Da 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 da. Alright, well, you know, that's the wall. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but we'll figure it out. I'll bring you guys back when we're done. My hands are all Alright, here we go. This is a lot of it. We've done the niche. Okay. We're not done up there yet. And we're going to do this tomorrow. So we're good. Alright, so here it is. The niche is all done. Or nook, I guess. I don't know what you call it. All of the tiling has been done. Tiling. I don't want to do it again. There you go. Everything's done. Now it's all about grout and caulk. Looks good if I do say so myself. And I do. Alright. I don't even know what part this is, but bathroom is completado. Black grout has been put on. Everything is terminado. I am not a professional, and but it's done. I just have to caulk, and you really don't need to see that. It's clear silicone. I'm gonna do this edge, the bottom, all around, and up this corner, and we are done.